guys. So this week and last week, we've been talking about poetry and the different tools that poets use when writing poetry. We have just worked on rhyme as our new tool. Today is our last tool that we're going to learn about, and that is repetition. A lot of times, authors of poetry use repetition in their poems. So you say, well, Miss Atkins, I'm not really sure what repetition is. Well, here you go. Repetition is when sounds, words, or phrases are used more than once. For example, the wheels on the bus. Raise your hand if you've ever heard or read Wheels on the Bus. I read it all the time. It's one of Chase's favorite books or poems. You didn't know that, did you? Well, let's listen to the Wheels on the Bus and look for words or phrases or sounds that are repeated. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. So if I was going on a search for words or phrases that repeat, who can tell us what is a word or phrase that's repeated a lot in this poem? That's right, round. The word round is repeated. And you notice down here, it's written red to help you pay attention to that. Round, 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 and round. It is repeated 8 different times in just this part of the wheels on the bus. Now today, you're going to listen and read a poem, and I want you to find words or phrases that are repeated. So you're going to look today on your slides, and you will see this poem, Magma Pools. You're going to read or listen to the poem and then drag these boxes around the words or phrases that repeat. When you're done, you get to be a poet and you're going to write your own sentences with repetition. I'm going to do one for you first. So if I have the phrase burr, 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 that keeps repeating, what sentence could I write that goes along with burr, burr, burr? Would I want to write maybe a sentence about going to the beach? No, you're right. I'm probably going to write about something being cold. So my sentence that I'm going to write is, it is so cold. Now let's read the whole thing together. Burr, burr, burr. It is so cold. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Let's listen to the next phrase that repeats, or words. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. When I shuffle, I think of walking, like kind of slowly dragging my feet. So I'm going to say, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. I walk slowly down the road. Let's see, does that make sense? Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. I walk slowly down the road. That does make sense. So after you find your repetition in your poem, on your next slide, you're going to type your own sentences that go along with the repetition. The first one is pop, pop, pop. Shh, shh, shh. Yes, yes, yes. Beep, beep. You can type your own sentence in here that goes with each repetition. Just click two times, or you can start on the end and back drag. drag it backwards, and then type your own sentence. I cannot wait to read your sentences that go with the repetition. Bye, guys.